explorers! Welcome back to our channel, where every day is an adventure waiting to happen. Today, we have something truly special in store for you. Let's begin our story with the Cat in the Hat. Get ready for a super fun adventure with the Cat in the Hat. Once upon a time, in a colorful town named Whimsyville, there lived two siblings, Sarah and Ben. They were known throughout the town for their love of fun and their sense of adventure. One sunny morning, while their parents were away, Sarah and Ben found themselves feeling a bit bored. They sat in their cozy living room, looking out of the window, wishing for something exciting to happen. Just then, a gust of wind blew through the curtains, and they heard a peculiar sound coming from outside. Sarah and Ben jumped up from their seats and rushed to the window to see what was going on. To their amazement, a big, red and white striped hat was floating gently down from the sky. It landed right in their front yard. The hat was enormous, and it looked like it belonged to a very tall person. Ben, wow! Did you see that, Sarah? Sarah, I sure did, Ben. But where did that hat come from? As they wondered about the mysterious hat, it suddenly popped open. Out from the hat sprang a mischievous cat. He wore a tall, striped hat, a bow tie, and had a big, mischievous grin on his face. Cat in the Hat, singing, "I'm the cat in the hat, here to play, let's have fun on this sunny day." Sarah, surprised, "Whoa, who are you?" Ben, curious, "And what's that hat?" Cat in the Hat, winking, "I'm the cat in the hat, and this hat's full of magic and fun. Are you ready for an adventure?" Sarah and Ben exchanged excited glances and then nodded eagerly. Narrator. And so, with the Cat in the Hat leading the way, Sarah and Ben embarked on a whimsical adventure like no other. The trio's adventure led them to magical places, like a giant bubble land where they floated among rainbows, a candy forest where they munched on lollipop trees, and even a jungle where they met talking animals. Sarah, joyful, "This is the most amazing day ever." Ben, grinning, "Thanks, Cat in the Hat." As the sun began to set, the Cat in the Hat led them back home. Cat in the Hat, it's time to go back, my friends. But remember, every day can be an adventure if you use your imagination. And so, Sarah and Ben returned home, their hearts filled with joy and their minds filled with wonderful memories of their extraordinary day. Narrator. And that, dear friends, was the magical adventure with the Cat in the Hat. Who knows what exciting adventures tomorrow will bring?